everyone, here's a quick overview of how to record your video in Flipgrid and how to find the URL to upload to your assignment. Your first step is to find the assignment, of course, and then inside of the assignment, you're going to want to look for the link that takes you to the Flipgrid environment for this assignment. That is a link like this one right here. As you click on the link, the Flipgrid environment will open. Here you will find a short version or a summary of the week's assignment, and you will also find the Add Response button. You will want to click on the Add Response button in order to access the recording environment. So here we are in the Flipgrid environment. The camera is now connected to Flipgrid, so there is no need for any external recording software. And you're seeing you can change your backdrops as well. So here, for example, I can put myself underwater. Well, there you go, right? Or I can put myself inside of Minecraft. How fun. And of course, fall leaves are always really nice. And the next thing I can do is I can move the center of my recording, either move myself to the left, move myself to the right, and that can become really useful when I want to record my screen. So recording your screen is what you will find under More Options. Here you're seeing you can record the microphone only. You can decide to mirror the video. You can decide to mute yourself. And you can also record your screen. And here we go. This is the screen recording right now. And I can, again, move around my screen and I can record any kind of application that I have down here. All right. And I can do this with Start Screen Recording. So here you're seeing choose what to share. I can share the entire screen. And this is some audio if I want to, and then here you're seeing the countdown, and I can here now capture my screen. You're seeing the 10-minute timer running, and so here I can flip through any kind of application and through any kind of task that I want to do on my desktop, and it will show me here in the lower right hand corner. In order to stop recording, hit stop recording, and you're seeing your video right here. All right, the next thing to do is, we don't really want to add music unless you want to add music, but the next thing is to click on the little arrow that you've just seen me here and to post the caption, which is optional. So here, for example, I'm going to post this is a test, and then I'm going to add a link if I want to, and I can also edit the cover picture of my window. So I can select a frame, or I can take a selfie. Hi. So that's my selfie. I can confirm that, and then my selfie will show up as the cover picture, and then I can post that to the topic. So I'm going to now upload my video and post this video that I just took to the topic, and then I can share my video. And as you're seeing here, there's this little upload sign right here, and you're seeing here copy link. This is the link that you will want to put back into your Blackboard assignment right here. Okay, so right here, paste the URL of your Flipgrid video in the space below. So this is the link that you will want to paste into this space right here. So, and this should be right here, the entire link, https://flip.com, etc., etc. And then you save and submit, and you're done. All right, thank you very much, everybody. Bye.